Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate your Optus eSIM, including the new line or switching from the physical SIM. So you just have to first of all launch your My Optus account. If you are an existing customer, you can just simply open your SIM management and then you can just simply request the eSIM for your current mobile service. New customers can simply choose the eSIM while purchasing their Optus plan. Now, once your request is processed, Optus is going to prepare your eSIM profile. So, depending on the device that you are using, you will either receive a QR code or you will be prompted to basically install the eSIM directly via the setup process. So, during the activation, just keep in mind that your physical SIM inside the phone is there. If you are transferring your existing number, the old SIM will automatically stop working once the transfer is complete. So there is no need for you to remove it beforehand. When the activation finishes, you just have to check that your Optus number appears under your mobile plans. And you can also test both calling and mobile data in order to confirm that everything has transferred successfully. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.